Here's a quick video on how to change the spool of wire in a MIG welder. So first off, make sure the machine's off, and then you want to go ahead and take the nozzle off, and then see there's a weld bead where the wire stopped there. We go ahead and cut that off, and then we will take the contact tip out. So first, you take your MIG welding pliers, you cut that ball off the tip, and then the MIG welding pliers have this special groove here. You loosen your contact tip, go ahead and take it off. So we'll put it down here. So in the machine, this is reverse threads. To the left is tighten and to the right is loosen. So go ahead and loosen that. You just flick this over here. You can pull up this wheel. I usually clean it with my glove just to make sure it's clean. And then you can go ahead and pull up your spool. You can cut it here or you can pull it through backwards. It's up to you. Let's pull up the spool. Pull out the wire. Open up your new wire. This is mild steel MIG wire, 10 pounds. This is one of the, I don't know, a medium sized spool. It's not the small 1 pound spools, but it's not huge either. So we'll find the end. Pull that out, and then notice this has a curl on it. Cut that off because you don't want that going through your liner. So you put it on your welder with the wire coming out the bottom, which is the opposite what you do with toilet paper, right? Because the toilet paper always comes off the top. So we're gonna stick it through here. Guide it through the rollers into the nozzle. And then once it's through, we can flip this down, flip the tensioner up. Tighten, but don't over tighten our spool. And then we can flick it on. Turn the voltage down to like 1 or whatever the lowest setting on yours is. And then you hold the torch kind of straight. And you can even, turn it back off just in case you hit the trigger. Put your contact tip back on. Make sure, check your contact tip for wear before you put it back on. I just changed this one, so we should be good. Make sure your contact tip always matches the size of your wire. This is an 030 contact tip, and this is 030 solid core wire. And I need to clip this off a little bit. Stick that on there. Screw it in. Give it a quick little torque with your MIG welding plier. Not too much. Screw your nozzle back on. Close the flap. Ready to weld. Now you go outside and work on something.